Today we will start chapter number 4, quadratic equation. Now, in your previous chapter number 2, polynomials, you read different types of polynomials there, right? One of the polynomial was ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equals to 0. Now, which type of polynomial it is? It is a quadratic polynomial. And when we equate this quadratic polynomial is that polynomial in which the degree of the variable is 2. That polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. And when we equate this quadratic polynomial with 0, this equation is known as quadratic equation. And obviously in quadratic equation a must not be equals to 0, because if a is equals to 0, then this will become a linear equation. But we are talking about quadratic equation. So quadratic general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now where we use this quadratic equation, in which type of situation we will use this quadratic equation? For example, one rectangular park is there. This is a rectangular park A, B, C, D, right? D. And we know that this is the rectangle, this is a rectangular park. And we know that the area of rectangular park is 300 meters square, for example, right? The area of rectangular park is equals to 300 meter square. And someone will give you situation that the length of this rectangular park is 1 more than twice its breadth. Length of the rectangular, this is the length of the rectangular park, this is the breadth of the rectangular park. If someone tell you that the length of the rectangular park is 1 more than twice its breadth, how can you find the length and the breadth of the rectangle? See, length is 1 more than twice its breadth. So let breadth of the rectangle be x meter and length will be 1 more than twice its breadth. 1 more than means plus, twice its breadth means 2x, right? And what is the area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of rectangle is also given, that is 300. And we know that length into breadth, length is your 2x plus 1 and breadth is your x. When we cross multiply 2x square plus x, when we shift here 2x square plus x minus 300 is equals to 0. Right? This is exactly same as ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is your quadratic equation. So if you solve this quadratic equation, you will get the length and the breadth of the rectangle. In this way, in our real life, we can also use this quadratic equation.